If you have ever tried to add a consistent outline to a complex scene in Blender, you know it is a tedious process of syncing modifiers and shaders across every single object. Outline Generator V1.0 is here to simplify that entire workflow. It is a dedicated tool for artists who want that perfect stylized, non-photorealistic look without the manual labor. Usually, creating a high-quality outline requires a combination of inverted hull modifiers and specific shader setups. Normally, you have to do this object by object, but with this add-on, you can manage the effect across multiple objects in your scene simultaneously. It provides an intuitive interface that acts as a global control for your outlines. You can adjust the thickness, color, and behavior of the effect instantly, saving you hours of repetitive clicking. For just under $8, it is a massive quality-of-life upgrade for anyone working on anime-style renders, architectural diagrams, or technical illustrations. If you are watching on YouTube, the link is in the description. If you are on our website, click the Buy button to start creating professional outlines with ease.